Alright, so amidst building up the new studio with all of our TV installations and whatnot, we have a client booking today. So I'll be showing you guys how we built the set for the client and how that shoot goes. So this is the first booking that we got at the studio. We haven't even opened yet. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how we run through that and how everything looks. Alright, so first things first, for this project, the client wants 3 tables. So we have this one here and 2 workbenches. These 2 workbenches are gonna have 7 TVs on one and then 7 TVs on the other, and then a few on this one. I'll attach the reference that the client sent me so y'all can get an idea of what I'm talking about specifically, but I'm gonna put these tables together and then we'll go from there. So I went ahead and started breaking down the beltline window facing installation that we built. I needed to have a lot of TVs to choose from for this stack, and choosing the ones that are able to stack perfectly is important. We're working on sourcing some broadcast monitors, that way we can easily and safely stack them. We definitely needed to get some liability waivers just in case. I think this is the most interesting part to me, is just looking at the client reference and then seeing how everything comes together. Isaac and his crew came within an hour, 2 hours before the shoot, and they brought some snacks. Production work at the FA studio, building a custom set for my guy Isaac and his crew. We got to put up 2 more TVs here and 3 more here. Got Miss Hannah mid. Yeah. While Hannah and I got the TV set up, his crew went ahead and got the table put together. Once everything was configured, it was time to go ahead and start shooting. Now this shoot was very fun for me because it allowed me to just be behind the scenes and see how people use the space and just see how the TVs create an atmosphere, really help sell the story that the director's telling. On top of that, they really invested a lot into this team and the equipment. This is my first time seeing a dolly being used in the studio. I really like how they had the light shining in the back window. And then even hanging the flag up right in the middle gave me so much inspiration for some other stuff that I could do as far as interior decor for the studio. We went ahead and moved my Amaran light overhead, shining down so the actors have light on their faces. And then it was also cool being able to see my buddy Connor. He came through. That's my guy for real. And just seeing this whole set just come to life is so crazy to me. This moment meant a lot to me as a filmmaker just because when I was younger, I used to go to cool sets and film, but now it's like I make the cool sets. So that's a very full circle moment for me. I really like how they had this smoke machine. That was cool. It really added to the atmosphere. And then they had this director's monitor, which was like very convenient. And I like being able to just kind of sit behind the scenes again and just look at how other people create.
All right, bring that energy up. Here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1.
It's just the overall vision that Isaac had. Everything is very intentional, and this project aligns very closely with everything I want to do for the studio moving forward, just in terms of like having a solid plan and really bringing bigger and better ideas to reality. I really like this angle for some reason. Like I always try to incorporate some type of movement in my shots, and this was just like a really unique POV that I saw. I think me vlogging on set just as everybody is having a role is like the coolest thing ever. Like everybody is in here doing something. So for me to be able to take a first person point of view and just look and show you guys what I see, that is just so interactive to me. Like this guy walking with the camera, Connor taking down the light. It's just a whole world inside the studio once like things are moving. And it's just so interesting just being really immersed in how everything looks. Everybody has a role to play to bring a vision to reality. And now that we have this new Forever Almighty studio space, it's gonna be more hands on deck, more opportunities being made, and just really bringing bigger and better ideas to reality. They moved on to the last shot of the night. Now mind you, we only had the space booked for like 3 hours. But it didn't go over that time. Like Isaac and his team really came in here, they got to work, and we made the most of our time. They got some amazing shots. And this shoot honestly just turned out perfect. So that's how my shoot at the Forever Almighty studio with Isaac and his team went. They did an amazing job, and we really brought a bigger vision to reality. If you have any project inquiries, feel free to reach out to me at studio@foreveralmighty.com.